pliers, and a 10mm socket wrench. Let's start by locating the third brake light application. Open the vehicle trunk hatch. The plastic housing cover located on the inner trunk door will have 3 internal knobs. Using the flat trim tool, start from one side and pry open. Here are the inner knobs. We will have to align these knobs with the housing opening upon reinstallation. The sockets will now be visible, but attempting to pull out sockets will not be successful due to the cable wire being too short. We will have to locate the 6 bolts as seen here and remove them. Remove the bolts using a 10mm socket wrench. Be careful not to lose the bolts when removing. Once all 6 bolts are removed, remove the third brake light lens from the outside. Use the flat trim tool to remove the lens. The 6 bolts and the 2 knob openings will require alignment upon reinstallation. Now we see the 6 incandescent bulb sockets and the cable wire. Using pliers or other similar tool, remove the sockets. Repeat steps for the remaining 5 bulbs. Also, remove wires from plastic holders. Once all bulb sockets are removed, pull out the incandescent bulbs and replace them with all new ALA lighting LED bulbs. Test the LED lights. Insert the LED bulb and socket back into the housing, making sure to place the wires in their original locations. Next, reconnect the plastic piece by sliding it in and pushing it. Align the lens assembly and push it in. Insert the bolts that were previously removed in the 6 openings using the 10mm socket wrench. Lastly, align the 3 knobs of the plastic housing cover and push them in. You will hear 3 snaps. Installation is now complete. Take a look at an amazing upgrade.